Uh-huh.
And then black spruce roots for the lashings. And apparently they're pretty tough. You can, it's almost like rawhide. Feel right here. See how they punch through. You ever seen one of these? How they're actually built?
I've seen an article on it, you know,
yeah,
in a magazine.
The frame, they lay the birch bark down, and then they, you know, kind of cut it out. It's just like a loose skin. Like cedar splits and push in the sides to, you know, fill it out, and then put the little ribs across, tighten it up.
It's really neat.
Just straight up on the side.
Now, are those the black lines? Is that where they've made cuts to make the bark fit?
See, it's all pieced. When they split the bark off the tree, they cut a solid line down one side. This they turn the bark inside out, and you can see on the, you know how white birch bark is. You can see the actual outer bark. You can see some of it'll get darker with age. It won't stay quite as orange.
Rosin in it, huh?
Because I talked to him, I said, you know, what about to preserve the life? What about sealing it, or, you know, or
That's right.